welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step routine that I have been using to grow my hair from a complete damaged hair to now the length you will see just within 15 months. I calculated it is absolutely 15 months. I have started going on challenges that I just do an intense treatment of my hair, and then I leave my hair alone for 30 days. All I have to do is just oil my scalp doing every day during that 30 days, and also take my vitamins. I try to eat healthy, and also sometimes exercise, which is just walking around my neighborhood. And this simple routine has been working for me so good. Now this is a very complicated routine, so I recommend you can do it after every 2 months or after every 3 months, just so it doesn't wear you up. But if you are able to do it every month, kudos to you. Your hair will really grow and you will really be able to retain a lot of length. But for me, I'm doing it only every 2 months or every 3 months. So I'm going to walk you guys through this step-by-step process. If you have tried everything on your hair and nothing is working for you, if you are trying to retain length and it is also not working for you, if you are trying to grow your hair but you don't know the type of products to use, or you don't have a routine yet but you are now joining the natural hair community, this is a routine that you can try again. The ingredients doesn't have to be exactly like what I use. You can always substitute it, and also substitute the measurement according to your hair length and your hair thickness. Let's go step by step, which is the first step is our overnight hot oil treatment. Now this step is say compulsory. Do you have to do it? Absolutely no, since you're already pre-pulling your hair the next day. But being that my hair is under this wig, is in a very tight mini braids, and I have to take the braids down, and I just cannot take the braids down like that. I have to use oils. So because of that, I'm just also going to do an overnight hot oil treatment just with little oils, not a lot. So after that, then we're gonna go and make our Ayurvedic treatment. I just mix my caffeine oil and my secrets oil in here. I'm going to go into the double border method, with which I put it in hot water until it get warm, and then I will apply it on my scalp. And then tomorrow we will go and apply the Ayurvedic treatment over the oil. We got our 4 cups of hot water. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of our coffee powder. Going in with 2 tablespoons of Horsetail herb. Very simple tea, but very effective. The coffee helps block DHT, and then the Horsetail herb, which is very high in silica. I'm going to let this to brew for about an hour. After that, we will go and mix it into our favorite herbs. Also, don't forget to strain it. While we are giving our brew some time, we'll go in and start mixing our herbs. I do not know how thick or long your hair is, so it's difficult for me to give you an accurate measurement. But for my hair type and my hair texture, I'm going in with 1 cup of Amla powder, half cup of neem powder, 2 tablespoons of henna powder, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal powder. Mix all your ingredients together. You should have something like this after. I'm going to put it to the side, and we are going to go and strain our coffee brew. I love to make it a bit runny because by tomorrow morning it will thicken up. This is the next morning. It's time for us to apply our oil and apply the treatment to our hair. So first we're going to be going in with our caffeine oil. Give it a good shake. I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons. Give it a good stir. This is why I love to leave it a bit running, because by the next morning it will all thicken up. So it's ready. I'm going to go and apply it on my hair.
It's okay. I see it.
I'm done applying my treatment. This is very, very warm. I put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. This will help speed up the treatment process. But I also just want to leave this on for a couple of hours. If you don't have the time, you can leave it on for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I'm going to shampoo my hair 3 times. I'm first going in with our keratin root lift shampoo. I'm going to clean my scalp first, each section, making sure I'm washing in sections so I do not cause unnecessary tangles and breakage. After that, I'm also going in with my silicone scalp scrub just to make sure I get all the buildup and dirt from my scalp. I'm not going to be washing my hair in 3 weeks or a month, so I have to make sure that my scalp is completely clean. The first set of shampoo, I rinse it out, and then the second set of shampoo, I'm going to leave it on the hair while I move to the next section. That way the keratin can just better penetrate the cuticle layers of the hair and also just clean my scalp. And then once I'm done using our keratin root lift shampoo, I'm going to rinse all of that out, and then I'm going in with our bonding shampoo. Now the bonding shampoo covers the cortex layer of the hair. This shampoo is not available yet, but the keratin shampoo is now available on our website along with the conditioner while we are still working on the bonding shampoo. I left the bonding shampoo in for 5 minutes, and then after I just rinse it out. We're done with our keratin shampoo and our bonding shampoo. I'm now gonna go in and condition. I'm gonna condition with our keratin conditioner, and then my face like that. I'm gonna sit under the steamer for about 20 minutes with the keratin conditioner in. I also have some of our tea in here, so that's what we're gonna use. Once you comb it through and leave it on for a few minutes, and if you go and rinse your hair out, the difference it does to your hair, it will leave you going like, oh wow, I thought this wasn't doing anything to my hair, because it really penetrates the hair strands, you know, try to coat the cuticle layers of our hair, and you'll be like, this is not doing anything to my hair. But you just wait until you leave it on. So I'm gonna use it as a deep conditioner, because I'm not deep conditioning today or tonight, because I left this treatment on for longer. So I'm just gonna go through, comb, and as you guys can see, no hair is coming out, so to not think like I'm ripping my hair out. Just gently detangling all through. As you guys saw, I only use my finger. I didn't use any tools, anything on my hair. It's only with the conditioner now that I'm going in. Just like that, this section is over. Immediately I can feel the difference in my hair, as if to say my hair is just getting thicker in my hand. You guys saw when I took it out first how it was looking, and this is what the keratin does to the hair. It's like it made my hair thicker. It's supposed to give the hair volume, and that's exactly what it is doing. So I'm going to twist this section up and go and apply it on the rest of my hair. I'm gonna leave this on for only 20 minutes, and after we're gonna go and rinse it out. After rinsing out my conditioner, I went in with my treatment to blow dry my hair. I use our leave-in conditioner. This is from our old line. Our present line doesn't have a leave-in, but we have our keratin shampoo and conditioner on our website if you want to check it out. And then I went in with the Brew blow dry cream. This is now my favorite blow dry cream. This also have a heat protectant in it. And then I also went to double protect my hair. I went in with a Tresemme blow dry spray, and then I blow dry my hair. To blow dry my hair, I use the Ref Air. I went in first with the Ref Air blow dryer just to stretch it, and then after that I used the Revlon Powder blow dryer just to remove all the kinks from in my hair. And now this is the next day. I just put it in a low bun. I'm now going to go and braid it down in my cornrows. Braid it down in my cornrows. I'm going to be using only two products. I will be using the Secrets Curl Enhancing Smoothie just a little bit because I really don't want it to revert. But I also not going to wash my hair for the next 21 days, or maybe I will stretch it to the next 30 days. So I need some kind of moisture in my hair. And then I'll also go over it with the caffeine oil, and then I'll put it in my little cornrows. If you don't know how to braid, you can also put your hair in mini twists. Just make sure that your mini twist you're going to have access to your scalp, because the main thing we are going to do is to be focusing on our scalp. That is oiling our scalp daily and just giving it a little bit massage. I personally prefer cornrows because that way I'm able to have direct access to my scalp, and our caffeine oil have like a twist cap that you can just apply the oil directly to your scalp, and doing that take me less than 5 minutes every morning. The hard part is over. Now all we have to do is just oil our scalp daily. I'm going to be using the caffeine oil, and I'm also going to be taking my vitamins. So this is my braid. As you guys can see, this is braided down so tight, and after 3 weeks to a month we will retain and grow a lot of hair. I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp, and once I'm done I will come back for us to end the video. This is the end of today's video. If you have been struggling to grow your hair and you have tried everything and nothing works for you, I will highly recommend that you try this routine. This is a low manipulation routine. You just give your hair a break from all the constant manipulation, and like that you can be able to grow and retain your hair length. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.